morning. Welcome to the official kickoff of the process that will decide who wins the North American Car, Truck, and Utility Vehicle of the Year awards. I'm Jeff Gilbert. I'm the president of North American Car, Truck, Utility of the Year, as well as the auto reporter for WWJ here in Detroit. Now, today's announcement represents something new for us. We're calling it the Best of 2024. You heard Rod say the name semifinalists. That's what we had called it, but we thought, it really is an honor to be counted among the 10 cars, 10 utilities, and 5 trucks that our 50 jurors have decided are really worth a deeper look and consideration for this award. Now, I had the opportunity to see the impact of this award earlier this year when Acura invited me to their plant in Ohio to personally present the trophy for Car of the Year to the people who build the Acura Integra. Now, Kia was so excited, you may have seen it, it's right over there. They have unveiled a special North American Utility Vehicle of the Year limited edition of the EV6. Nobody's ever done that before. Check out next to the shifter, we've got our little logo. Also, friends of mine inside Ford tell me that the team that developed the F-150 Lightning spent some time posing with the award after the winners event last January. Now, more on the process and the vehicles in a minute, but first I have some people to thank. I am one of 5 NACTOY board members. I'm joined by Jack Nerad, our vice president, Nicole Wakelin, our board secretary, John Davis, our membership director, and Greg Migliori, our treasurer. Also here is Gary Witzenberg, who was my predecessor as president. We are 50 automotive journalists who serve as jurors. If the NACTOY jurors who quickly stand to be recognized, a number of them are in the audience right now, and we come from very, very diverse backgrounds. There are some gearheads, there are some of us who are more business-oriented, others more family-oriented. Each one of us looks at vehicles differently, and I really think that is the strength of this award. We're a nonprofit. None of us on the board make anything. We're all volunteers, and we're dedicated to automotive journalists. And over the last several years, we have partnered with the Detroit Auto Dealers Association to make charitable contributions in excess of $100,000 total. This year, we split $40,000 among 4 charities. And also some thank yous to the people who work behind the scenes. Allie Cook, Sam Cron at Lambert Global, Amanda McCrell, who handles our website and all member communications, Kevin Singer of the Automotive Press Association, he helps us organize our events, and the very important people at Deloitte, they actually count our ballots. And of course, Rod Alberts and the rest of the Detroit Auto Dealers Association, they have been great partners with us since day one. In fact, day one took place 30 years ago, where in this very hall, we named the Mercedes C-Class Car of the Year and the Dodge Ram as Truck of the Year. The utility vehicle category was added in 2017. As I mentioned earlier, today's announcement is the public start of the process, with the vehicles our jurors have decided through test driving and research are really worthy of moving to the next step. The next step will be driving those vehicles both on our own and an event locally in October where we drive them back to back, and that's a session where we can really compare strengths and weaknesses. Then we take a quick vote. 3 finalists in each category will be announced at the Los Angeles Auto Show in November. Then we take those 3, vote again, and the winners announced at January 4th at the M1 Concourse in Pontiac. Now let's find out which vehicles are the best of 2024. I invite you to look at the screen and you will see the competitors for North American Car, Truck, and Utility Vehicle of the Year. as you can see, a nice mix of electric vehicles, big vehicles, small vehicles, gasoline-powered vehicles. Now, a press release with a list of the vehicles is here. You can see Sam and Allie in the front if you want a copy. It's also going to be posted on our website. Any questions, feel free to contact either Allie or Sam or myself. Love to talk about the awards and the process. And thank you very much for joining us. And please join us at the M1 Concourse on January 4th, where we will all find out together who the award winners are.